Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Paul. It is so good to be here today. How are you doing today, Emily?
I am doing great, thank you. I have my cup of tea, and I am very excited about our topic today. How about you?
I am doing very well, thanks. I am ready for another fun English conversation. What are we talking about today, Emily?
Today, we are inviting our listeners inside. We are going to talk about our homes. We will learn how to describe your house or your apartment in simple English.
Describing your home. That is a very important topic. Everyone has a home, and it is a perfect way to practice everyday English vocabulary.
Exactly. But before we open the door and invite you in, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please take 1 second and click the like button. And if you are new, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English. It helps our channel grow so much. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, Emily, I am ready. Let's talk about homes. Where do we start?
Let's start with the big parts of the house, the rooms. A room is a space inside your house. Paul, what are the most common rooms in a home?
Well, the first room you usually see is the living room. The living room is where you sit, relax, and watch TV with your family.
Yes, the living room. Then we have the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite room because I love to cook. It is where you prepare food and cook your meals.
And we have the bedroom. The bedroom is the quiet room where you sleep.
Exactly. And finally, the bathroom. The bathroom is where you take a shower and wash your face in the morning. So we have the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the bathroom.
Perfect. Now, a room is just an empty box until we put things inside it. Let's talk about the things inside our rooms. We call this furniture.
Furniture. That is a great word. Furniture means the big items in your house, like chairs, tables, and beds. Paul, can you describe your living room for us?
I would love to. My living room is small, but it is very cozy. Cozy is a great word. It means warm and comfortable. In my living room, I have a big gray sofa.
A sofa is a long, soft chair for 2 or 3 people. Where is the sofa, Paul?
It is next to the window. Next to is a very useful phrase. It means beside or right by the side of something. So my sofa is next to the window.
Next to. I like that. What else is in your living room?
I have a small table, and on the table, I have a beautiful green plant.
Oh, on the table. On is another great small word. It means something is touching the top of another thing. The plant is resting on the table. Do you have anything under the table?
Yes, under the table, I have a soft rug for my feet. Under means below or beneath something.
Wow, Paul, you just taught us 3 very important prepositions. Next to, on, and under. These are the magic words that tell us where things are in a room.
Thank you, Emily. Now it is your turn. What is your favorite room in your apartment? And what is inside it?
My favorite room is my bedroom. It has a big, comfortable bed. Next to the bed, I have a small lamp for reading at night.
A reading lamp is wonderful. What else do you have?
I love clothes, so I have a very big closet. A closet is where you hang your shirts and pants. My shoes are under my bed, and my favorite books are on a shelf.
On a shelf, under the bed, and next to the lamp. You see, everyone? Describing a room is very easy when you use simple furniture words and these 3 little direction words.
It really is. You just start small. You don't need to describe every single thing. Remember, our English learners, mistakes are our friends. If you use the wrong word, it is okay. Just keep practicing.
That is the best advice. Practice makes you comfortable. Well, Emily, look at the time. It always goes so fast when we are having fun.
It really does. Let's do a very quick review of our lesson today for our listeners.
Great idea. Today, we learned the 4 main rooms: the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the bathroom.
We also learned common furniture: a sofa, a table, a bed, a lamp, and a closet.
And the magic direction words: next to, on, and under.
Fantastic job today, Paul, and a big thank you to all of our amazing listeners for joining us today. We love helping you on your English journey.
Yes, we do. And before you go, we have some special homework for you. We love reading your English writing.
Yes, in the comments below, please tell us, what is your favorite room in your home and what is inside it? Try to use the words on, under, or next to.
For example, you can say, "My favorite room is my bedroom. My bed is next to the window." We cannot wait to read all of your wonderful answers in the comments.
Thank you all so much for listening. Keep practicing, be proud of yourselves, and have a beautiful day. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.